Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. Malkani. ¿Cómo están ustedes? Yo estoy muy bien. Espero que ustedes estéis muy bien también. So today we are going to discuss Spanish listening practice for beginners, and the reason for me to jump from advanced to beginners is I was getting a lot of requests saying that there are certain single words which are considered as basic Spanish, but you guys were struggling in understanding them. So I thought I'll quickly do a video introducing myself, I'll be adding some basic verbs for you guys to understand the basic level of Spanish. And what I would like you guys to do is to exercise the same, and if you can leave a small introduction about yourself in the comment section. I can correct it obviously, but it will be great for you guys to practice and to actually have a reality check how good your beginner Spanish is. So before I continue with this video, I would like you to request that you subscribe to my channel. So please do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. If you hit the bell icon, you will be getting notification every time I post a video. And now I'm going to speak basic Spanish. I'm going to leave the translation at the bottom as English subtitles, and please do practice it and do make a small introduction about yourself and send it to me in the comment box. So let's continue. Hola, muy buenas. Mi nombre es Shalini Malkani. Yo tengo 36 años. Yo vivo en la India. Mi pasatiempo favorito es escuchar música y dibujar, pintar. A mí me encanta conducir. Y en mi tiempo libre me gusta hacer videos sobre español para ustedes. Hoy vamos a contar brevemente los números en español. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 y 30. Entonces, mi número favorito es el número 10. ¿Cuál es tu número favorito? Por favor, dime cuál es tu número favorito en la sección del comentario. Y me gustan ver películas de terror. ¿Qué tipo de películas te gusta ver a ti? ¿Terror? ¿Comedia? ¿Drama? ¿Amor? ¿Suspense? A mí me gusta ir de vacaciones a la playa. ¿A ti qué te gusta? ¿Te gusta la playa o te gustan las montañas? Mi color favorito es el rosa, como todas las mujeres, o muchas de ellas. ¿Cuál es tu color favorito? ¿Y cómo te gusta vestir? ¿Te gusta pantalones o trajes? A mí me gustan ambos. Guys, this is a very small introduction about myself. Now, the ideal thing for you guys to do is to make a small introduction about yourself as well. Try to do it by speaking in Spanish. Of course, you don't have to speak perfect Spanish, but do try. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me or leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Other than that, I've included numbers up to 30, so you can start practicing them. And do let me know if you have any other suggestions or questions for my next video. I hope this video was helpful, and as I said, please do practice introducing yourself in Spanish. As I shall see you back in my next video. Till then, see you, bye bye, take care, ciao.